Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila, and I'm going to be doing an Elvis Presley reaction on the song I Got Lucky. I Got Lucky. I never even heard this song before, you guys, but yeah, we gotta do a reaction on it. So let's see how it goes. And I'm driving. And I'm in the car, so you guys will probably see me just chilling to some Elvis music, y'all. Just chilling to some Elvis music.
Well, that is good. Fine, Father.
All right, here we go.
Never found a four-leaf clover to bring good luck to me. No rabbit's foot, no lucky star, no magic wishing tree, but I got lucky. I got lucky. Yes, I got lucky. Lucky when I found you. Oh, yeah. Got my rainbow around my shoulder, no horseshoe on my door, but I got you to hold me tight, and who could ask for more? Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky. Yes, I got lucky. Lucky when I found you. When I found you. I always walk around with all my fingers crossed. I am afraid the love I found just might get lost. So won't you tell me that you love me? Hurry up and name the day, and then I know that my good luck is really here to stay. Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky. Yes, I got lucky. Lucky when I found you. I found you. I always walk around with all my fingers crossed. I am afraid the love I found just might get lost. So won't you tell me that you love me? Hurry up and name the day, and then I know that my good luck is really here to stay. Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky. Yes, I got lucky. Lucky when I found you. I found you. I always walk around with all my fingers crossed. I am afraid the love I found just might get lost. So won't you tell me that you love me? Hurry up and name the day, and then I'll know that my good luck is really here to stay. Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky. Yes, I got lucky. When I found you. I found you. Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky. Yes, I got lucky. When I found you.
Come on, let's do it again, Galahad. We're just getting warm. If you get any warm, you're going to melt the guitar.
If y'all have never heard that song, let me know in the comment section below. But I know everybody is listening to this. I know you've heard that song before. That was, you know what? I'm glad I did it with the video because it just brings out his charisma. He's just so much fun. Elvis is just so much fun. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm enjoying that. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying that. And again, I never heard that song before. I got lucky. I really like that. I like the fact that it was with the little video skit. So yeah, I enjoyed it. If y'all want to hear more reactions, y'all know what to do. Hit me up in the comments and subscribe. Go ahead now. Hit that button so you get my notifications. Subscribe and share. Oh yeah, where my Elvis fans at, y'all? Where my Elvis fans at? To the next video.
Do